Dandy's World is a vibrant and innovative multiplayer mascot horror game by Blush Crunch Studio. Set in the mysterious Garden View Center, players team up as Toons to complete intricate tasks, uncover secrets, and descend deeper into the eerie environment. The game uniquely blends survival mechanics with creativity, allowing players to collect trinkets, customize playstyles, and interact with characters that have distinct abilities. Its standout feature is the integration of music composition, where players can craft tunes using an extensive sound library, fostering both teamwork and personal expression. With its colorful visuals, engaging quests, and a lively community, Dandy's World offers a fresh take on gaming, merging artistic creativity with thrilling gameplay. Designed for players aged 9 and above, it ensures an immersive experience while maintaining a family-friendly atmosphere.